Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. Yesterday, we spoke about two scenarios. One, a bullish one, a little bit bearish but a difficult scenario to happen, and one, a sideways one. Now, can you guess what has happened today? It's been so good. I am so happy today. Just guess what has happened today. And then we'll have a look at what actually transpired and what to expect for Monday. Chalo, let's have a look. Today has been a very as per the plan kind of day. Yesterday we discussed a scenario where we were looking at this chart. So we wanted these resistances to break. Right? And then we wanted a 3-minute pivot on the upside for this setup to take. On the downside, we wanted the low to break down and a 3-minute to form and then a breakdown. None of the scenarios panned out. Now, how many days of tough things has it been? It's been nearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or whatever, 5 days maybe. 5 days of no setup being formed, right? It must be frustrating. It must be frustrating for everybody in the market who are trying to trade. Day traders must be losing money everywhere. Imagine you short here, you're stopped out. Imagine you short here, you're stopped out. Imagine you go long here, you're stopped out. We just followed our plan, and our plan said unless the boundaries are broken, no setup, no trade. So let's have a look at on an hourly chart what has happened. This is actually such a nice consolidation that a big move is going to come, but you don't know when. We just have to be prepared. And why a big move is going to come? Because this is a horrible time for traders. Nothing has been happening, especially for trend traders. So that means a trend is very close and it's going to come. So let's have a view for Monday. Monday, this is potentially a higher low in the making on an hourly chart. This is a higher low. So what I would want on Monday is, even if the highs of the day or near these resistances or this kind of zone, even if I get a 3-minute consolidation here after breakout, I would be looking for a long opportunity. For a short, I'm very clear. I need this kind of zone to break down with a gap down. Then only I would be interested, something like this. I would be wanting a 3-minute pivot and then a breakdown. If that doesn't happen, I wouldn't trade on the short side. On the long side, a consolidation is fine. And ideally, if we put a retracement, perfect. This consolidation should break the 61.8% level at least. So it's quite easy for Monday on what is to be done. Right? We've planned for a long scenario, a short one, and what happens if none of these scenario happens. The market might again test your patience and be sideways. Be prepared for it. Imagine the amount of money being saved here. Imagine the amount of money being saved here. आप कुछ भी कर लो, कुछ भी ट्राई कर लो, यहाँ पे पैसे नहीं बनने वाले. तो it's better to save money. Now, if you think about it, it's been 5 days since a setup hasn't actually formed, or maybe more, I'm not sure now. But what does that mean? If you want to succeed as a day trader, you have to be okay with not trading and saving your capital on days that there are no setups. If there aren't any setups, don't chase. Don't chase the market. Don't try to find out setups. It's very unnecessary. Your focus on such days has to be preserving and saving capital. Because everybody is going to lose money on these days. Imagine you don't. You are an edge higher to the people who are losing money. You will be in better stead when the actual trend comes, right? So be focused, follow your plan, and see you on Monday. Before that, see you on Saturday in the morning. It's one of my most important videos that I've made. It's related to bear markets. If you get time over the weekend, please have a look at the video and try and share it. Put it on stories or whatever, or however you want to share the weekend wala video. Try to share it with as many people as possible. It will help a lot of people in today's world. Okay, chalo, bye, see you.